What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Ludwig Von Koopa from Super Mario. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page with the mouth. We're going to start right in the middle with a point. Now let's draw on the left side. We're going to curve this down and then up toward the left. Go back to the center, come down, and then bend that up towards the right. Now we're going to add that large tooth in the center. So let's start on the left. We're going to draw a straight angle line coming down and in towards the middle. And go up towards the right side. Let's open up the mouth. Start on the left side, curve this down, go underneath that point, and then up on the right. And then in the center, we're going to draw a curve for the tongue, starting from the left, going in behind the tooth, come down towards the right. Let's fill the top area of the mouth in black. You want to go in behind that tooth and the tongue. Now that we have the mouth in place, let's move up to the top and draw the top edge of the nose. So we're going to start on the left. Let's bend this up in the middle, go across, and then down. Now on the side, we're going to add a hook for the nostrils. Let's tuck the cheeks in behind the nose. So we're going to step up, curve this all the way around, and then bend that in towards the chin. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right side. Let's close off the chin with a curve, coming down, across, and then up. Let's go up to the top and draw on the eyes. We're going to start with the edge of the eyebrow, starting from the left side, draw a straight angle line, going up and out. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. And we're going to tuck two circles in underneath, starting on the left, going around, and then tuck that in. Let's add two smaller circles in the center of each eye, and we'll fill that in black. Now you want to brush the hair over the right side. So we're going to start on the left, curve this down, across, and then out. Let's tuck the head in behind the hair. So we're going to start on the left, going around the eye, and then pull that down on top of the cheek. Let's go on the right and do the same thing. Now this character has some large hair, so start all the way up in the middle, start with another point. Now let's draw on the left side. We're going to go up, go out, and then bend that up towards the top. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. We're going to bring the hair coming down in underneath the cheeks, but we're going to add some points along the way. So let's start on the top left, bend this down and in. And you want to mirror that over on the right side. Let's add another point, going out and then up. Come all the way around and then in. And then we're going to add one more point, going out and then up. Let's bend this down and then in towards the bottom of the cheek. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with that oval patch in the center, starting on the left side of the chin. Go all the way around toward the bottom, and then back up and then in on the right. Let's add two curves in the center of the body, starting from the top, moving down and up, move down, and draw that again. Now from here, we're going to move out and draw the side of the body. So let's start on the left. We're going to follow that curve, coming around and then down towards the hips. And then from the hip, we're going to draw the thigh. We're going to go out, come around, and then bend that in towards the ankles. From the center of that patch, we're going to step down, add a curve, going up and then down. And we'll leave a space in the middle, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg coming in and then down towards the heel on both sides. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Curve this down from the heel and then out. And then we want to add some claws on the end of the foot. So let's start back on the left. We're going to go up, bend this down, curve this up and then in towards the bottom of the foot. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's layer two more claws in behind on either side. So we're going to start from the top of this curve, go up and then down, and then bend that back in. Let's do that one more time. Now we're going to repeat that over on the right side. Now we're going to go on top of that last claw, we're going to curl the foot going up and then tuck that in behind the leg. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. I want to start with the arm on the left holding the wand. So we'll start underneath the cheek. Let's bend the arm coming down and then out towards the wrist. And we'll curl the thumb going around the handle. We're going to go up, bend this down, round out the thumb, and then bend that back up. Let's curl 3 fingers along the outside. Start from the side of the thumb, we're going to draw an oval going out and then in. Now along the bottom, we'll draw another finger with another oval going up underneath the thumb, and then we'll do that one more time. Now on the tip of the thumb along the bottom, we're going to add a point coming down and up for the claw. Let's layer that wand in behind the hand. Starting from the bottom finger, draw 2 angled lines coming down, and then we'll just curve the bottom. Let's follow these 2 lines along the top of the hand, going up towards the top. I'm just going to flatten this off. From the top corners, let's angle this up and then out, and then we'll round out the top. Let's add a trim along the bottom, stepping down, add another curve, and we'll step inside and draw a half circle, going up and then down. Now I'm going to go back to the wrist, draw the edge of the palm coming down around that bottom finger and then out behind that handle. And we'll step up and draw the bottom curve of the arm. Let's draw the inside edge of that bracelet, coming around and then down. And then there's studs that go along the inside, so starting from the top, we're going to add a point, going up and down. And then from the bottom, we're going to come down and then up. Let's go inside and add 2 circles, one on the top and then one on the bottom. Let's line up the bottom of the arm over on the right side. We're going to bend this out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb and then close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to add 3 fingers on this side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come around that bracket and then up, step back, add that 2nd finger, curving that in. Now the 3rd finger, we're going to bend this up and then in underneath the cheek. Going up, and we'll bend that in. Let's add that bracelet. Start from the thumb, then it's out, and then up, step up, and draw that again. Now we're going to add those 2 points on the side, and then we'll add 2 circles inside. Now we're going to see the edge of the shell just in behind the body, so let's start on top of the arm. Just going to curl this around and down, and then across the hips, and we'll do the same thing on the right. And then finally, I'm just going to add the end of the tail over on the left side. Then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Ludwig Von Koopa from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.